Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going through the empties, all the beauty and skincare empties, all the products that I have used up or that are about to finish. Would I buy them or if I want to get rid of them? So I'm going to talk all about it right now. So keep watching. Let's start now with the products which you see all time, like the micellar water, which is from Garnier. I am simply obsessed with this one. I have used many, but this is my favorite micellar water. This is my second bottle, by the way, and it doesn't make your skin dry after you remove your makeup, and it's time to get a new one. I also used this Clean and Clear Deep Action Makeup Remover Milk. I found out that it's much like a cleansing milk. It's actually quite good, but I like using micellar water for makeup removal. And on the other hand, I have a good range of cleansers too, so I'm not going to buy this again, but it's actually quite good for all skin types. And then I have finished this aloe vera gel from the Face Shop, which I'm definitely going to buy as it is 99% natural. And now I have two videos on this product, the review and the uses as well, so you guys can check them out. Next is the Vitamin E Eye Cream from the Body Shop. It's very hydrating, but it did not work for dark circles. I think it's actually good to use as an anti-wrinkle cream, and it also moisturizes the under eye area. So I would also go for this one as it is a part of my skincare now. I have used this Garnier Skin Active 3-in-1 Wash, Scrub and Mask. I won't be purchasing it again, not because it was bad, but actually it's not suitable for my dry skin. Like, you can't use it regularly. It will be really good for oily or combination skin. It was a bit drying and I prefer using a cleanser that is more nourishing. And then here is my favorite body cream, Eucerin Skin Calming Cream. It makes my skin so soft and smooth. It remains moisturized for a long period of time, extremely suitable for dry skin. The tube is quite huge, but it has finished and needs a repurchase. So it has been a year using this shower wash from Inecto. It's really good, but I'm going to get rid of it now just for a change. I have got some better options. Just wanted a new fragrance, but this one is very skin friendly and paraben free as it has 90% natural ingredients. Then I have the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and that's my third jar. I'm going to get it again as I have tried other clay masks, but I found out that this one does what it says. World's most powerful facial. It deeply cleanses my skin. My skin is very sensitive, but it doesn't irritate it and really works for pimples. It's actually a good purchase. Now here is my favorite Korean product, the Jaejeon Eye Gel Patches. I got these two because both attracted me a lot, and somehow I also wanted to compare them. So this rosal tea is nice, but green tea eye gel patches were more effective for me as they worked for dark circles, and that is one reason I bought them for. I was really happy because many products don't reduce dark circles, so not going to buy the rosal tea one again, and I will go for this green tea one. Now the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream, which is simply the best. I will say that I can't live without it. Perfect for all skin types and makes a great difference to the skin. Coming to some fragrances now, my favorite body mist from Ted Baker. It's from their Opulent Petal range. I so wanted to buy it again, but I cannot because they have a new range now and they are not coming. It smells awesome as it has notes of vanilla, jasmine and musk. Next is the Victoria's Secret Sweet Charm Body Mist. It took almost a year to finish it. I will go for some new fragrances now. I like changing them, and this one is very refreshing and sweet one. Some of the Victoria's Secret fragrances are long lasting, but this one is not. Then I have also finished up this Victoria's Secret Night Perfume. It's so amazing and sensual. It's long lasting too. It has a strong spicy scent, perfect for evenings, and I'm going to get a new one. Then the Avon Luck Perfume, which is not that long lasting, but the fragrance is definitely awesome. The bottle is too cute. I think I'm going to miss this on my vanity as I will go for options that stay for long. This one is my favorite perfume to ever exist. This is Burberry Body, and I call it my signature perfume. The ones who have watched my perfume collection video know that I'm obsessed with perfumes. I love buying them and I love collecting them. This is my number one. It's very unique and actually lasts for long. I get so many compliments on it, so of course I'm going to buy it again. And then another thing that I'm going to buy is this heat protection spray by Mark Hill. This is actually so important to protect your hair from all the heating tools. It conditions your hair, adds shine to them, makes them smooth. It's so good actually. Next is strengthening nail polish remover from Boots. It's amazing as it doesn't make the nails dry, but I'm not going to buy it again as I heard that you should use acetone free nail polish remover because they are more gentle on your nails. Now I have some lip colors here. This one is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and the shade is Can. One of the best nude shade, long lasting and hydrating formula. This is LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. The shade is Frisky. I felt that the formula is sticky at times, so thinking of some new red shade. Then matte lip liquid from the Body Shop. This is my favorite lipstick. Super gorgeous shade and the name is Goa. The texture is amazing. Wet and Wild lipsticks. They are so long lasting. The shade is In the Flesh. Packaging is not durable but the shade is quite cool. This one is Rimmel London from the Kate collection, 103 shade, a beautiful nude pink. It's my daily use kind of lipstick. Then next I have here is the Wet n Wild pressed powder. The quality is good. You can use it for quick touch-ups. It gives a smooth finish, but I don't like the packaging. It's hard to open, so I will just get some other one. This is the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Spray. It gives a very nice shimmer to the skin. It works as a highlighter, but the consistency is quite thick and it doesn't come out like a fine mist. It ends up with large uneven spots of the product on the face, so I'll not buy this again. Another thing is the soft color blush from Rimmel London. The shade is 150 Live Pink. The finish is long lasting and it blends easily, gives a natural color. It's very handy, but I wanted variety of shades, so currently I'm using other blush palettes. I have this Twist Up the Volume mascara from Bourjois. This is one of the best mascaras I have ever used. I just love it. It does not clump, no smudges or flakes, and easy to remove with cosmetic wipes. It keeps my lashes curled and they look so voluminous. If you want to make your lashes look more longer, you just twist it up and use it. Then this is the LA Girl Mark My Eyes Extreme Bold Pen Liner. Usually pen eyeliners dry up, but this one did not. It always gives me that bold black finish. It's perfect especially for making those eyeliner wings. Here is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil Lucky Lead, and I actually got it just to try. It's long lasting and the texture is soft, but sometimes the lead breaks due to extra softness, so it's a no for me. Then I also have the Essence Make Me Bro Eyebrow Gel. It's truly a lifesaver. It has fibers which make my eyebrows look naturally fuller. The brows actually stay in place throughout the day. This gel just gives your brows the perfect shape, a must buy for me. Now I have got the nail polishes here. This is the Flormer Full Color Nail Enamel Berry Brown, my favorite nude color. This is very long wearing, doesn't get chipped in a few days. I just love the texture. And this one is from the Body Shop, Rosy Cheeks, and it's from their Color Crush collection, a bright orange pink sort of color. Gives you refreshing vibes. It's also very long wearing and gives a shiny finish. I just love this one too. Okay, so that was it. These were all the products that I have recently used up, and there are more, but sometimes I directly throw them in the bin. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and it was helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like and comment too. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Take care, much love and stay blessed.